In this video we introduce our web designing course in Bangalore. Web designing course in Bangalore is covering the entire look and feel of a website and its structure. This web designing training in Bangalore is planning and building of web pages on the viewers. Web designing is one of the major tools in online marketing. If you look at all marketing channels like SEO or PPC, all campaign goals are brought traffic to your website. The main purpose of web designing turning visitors and customers in marketing terms, this is called conversions. Many students know only basic HTML and claims web designer, but they don't know what is the process of professional web designing. Before design your website must follow guidelines like analysis, information gathering, purpose, goals, audience, website structure, web technology testing, and browser compatibility, etc. Course highlights and why web designing training in Bangalore at designingcourse.in. Expertly designed web designing course modules to meet the global industry requirements. Designing courses that is curated by industry experts to have a clear understanding of the fundamentals of web designing such as Figma, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Extensive web designing training to make you equipped with architecture of the web designing. Our web designing course advantages. Web designing is evergreen technology that will be present our advice to the entire world. Our web designing training at Bangalore supplies end-to-end service. It is an art whilst developing a full-fledged site of a customer or for an item. If a site's layout isn't up to this standard, it will have a minimum impact on this particular audience. They're working for several multi-billion-dollar businesses, and they understand the worldwide standards in designing. By applying the expertise of these, anybody can learn. Real-time experts as trainers, certification, affordable fees, live project, doubt clarification. What are the job opportunities after completing web designing training in Bangalore? Nowadays, web designing is one of the emerging areas alongside other fast-growing technologies. The scope for this area can be termed as endless, as companies of all ranges from different sectors have set in the race to market their businesses online to have a competitive advantage over their competitors. Moreover, now, web designs are not any longer a matter of opulence into a company but instead a standard norm to establish themselves at the current digitalized world. This generated the need for more significant web designers presently. Additionally, these professionals have a fantastic fortune in the government sectors too. Over here, they would require a small number of web designers that can create dynamic and interactive websites that can attract customers of large amounts. Based on the report submitted by the job portals of India, it is said that only on Naukri.com you will find approximately 45,910 plus web designing projects in India. And on Monster.com there are about 50,000 plus job openings for web designers in India. The frequent job titles that are offered in these firms are Internet Designer, Front-End Developer, Web Application Developer, Design and Layout Advisors, Internet Marketing Analysts, and Senior Web Analysts. On average, in India, an entrant web designer earn approximately 3 rupees, 20,000 to Rs. 4, 15,000 per annum. Designers with 3 to 5 years of experience get a normal bundle of 4 rupees, 50,000 to 6 rupees, 20,000 per annum. These are the salary reports filed by payscale.com. Our best web designing course in Bangalore with placement in-depth training of the web designing theories and its application. Our professional mentors impart the essential skills which are needed for building a dynamic and responsive web page and helps one to further expand your career opportunities by training you with industry-relevant ability sets.